Did that chick say that he tried to open a door? You shouldn't lie, eh, lady? We got it on 3 different camera angles that nobody tried to get in your car. You're a horrible person if that's what you tried to do. With all due respect, you should turn in your badge and quit being a cop.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. While walking with Auditing Canada and True North Transparency, Turk from Canada Cop Watch noticed a Toronto police cruiser parked in the road with its emergency lights activated. The cruiser was occupied by Rookie Officer Kerr, who was wrapping up a traffic citation. Turk stood more than 15 feet from the cruiser for most of the traffic stop, only moving closer to take an artistic shot of the scene for B-roll. When Officer Kerr returned to her vehicle, the men gave her a friendly reminder that her CAD was left open and that the information on the screen was freely visible to the public.
You forgot the computer open.
Unbeknownst to the men, it is at this point that Officer Kerr made a call for backup officers to assist her with the men before driving away without checking her surroundings. That already seems bad enough. However, as we find out in a moment, it's the very nature of her request that is the real problem. After leaving, the 3 continued walking, and almost immediately, sirens can be heard in the background. Turk had just recently had charges dropped after an officer lied about threats, and thus he was suspicious and assumed that the incoming presence of officers were for them.
More over there. They're probably coming. They're coming to us.
Yeah, no shit.
Coming in hot.
He was correct. Several cruisers circled the area before locating Turk and approaching him, claiming that he attempted to break into Officer Kerr's vehicle.
And they are coming in hot, gentlemen.
Come here for a second. Talk to you.
How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Not bad. How can I help you?
Good, so right now you're being investigated for obstruct.
Excuse
You
me?
try to get into an officer's vehicle.
I tried to get into everything is
Yes.
on camera. I didn't never
Okay.
try to get into
So,
nobody's vehicle.
That's the information I have right now. I just pulled
You're
up.
trying to say I'm trying to get into an officer's vehicle. Are you guys feeling okay? Everything is on 3 cameras, eh? Just so you guys know. Brother, you're the community officer. I'm Turk. You know me already.
Yep. So,
Talk to this guy, bro.
well, that's
You're the
it. Like I
community
said,
officer. I know you for many years. Many years.
right now,
I'm going to tell you something. I did not try to open no vehicle. I'm not stupid, first of all. It's on multiple cameras, second of all.
okay.
We're out here filming for transparency, third of all. I have no interest in entering your guys' vehicles. That's not going to happen.
Just back up and let the officer
Okay, guys?
Right where I'm at.
Okay.
Back up, please. No, I'm actually perfectly fine where I'm at. I'm not trying to.
It's all on here, guys.
It seems like you were encroaching on the space.
Film us here, film us.
Right?
You can videotape all you'd like.
And that was the whole thing, right?
Yeah, listen, I'm right here, bro. Hey, would you? No.
Gonna back.
Dude,
Give them some
just
space.
back away from me. How about that?
Okay, this is our investigation.
Yeah, for what? Did that chick say that he tried to open a door? That woman, did she say he tried to open her door? Yeah. Is that what's going on?
That's just whatever the officer saying, sir, right?
Yeah. Here, look. You know what? I'm gonna walk around you.
As long as you give the space.
Yeah, yeah.
All respecting each other's personal space.
Yeah,
That's what it's
piss
all
off, dude.
You stay there, that's perfect, so thank you.
Just stop with the directives, dude. I'm not bugging anybody. I'm not hurting anybody. So is this woman trying to say that he tried to open her door?
Cursing? You're the one that's cursing. I'm not raising my voice. I'm just trying to explain the situation and the information that we got.
I do understand.
So this little chicken woman tried to say that he opened her car door. That's exactly what happened.
Being targeted by you guys all the time. But let me explain something to you.
Yeah. You shouldn't lie, eh, lady?
I just want to have a conversation. I know him, so I.
Fucking lionless bitch.
So what I'm trying to tell you.
So this one here, guys, what sounds like happened? She lied and said that we tried to get into her car, or Turk tried to get into her car.
When you're on your thing talking about your boy and this and that, that's my brother, right? I know if you got a brother. I got a brother too, eh?
I know. So, okay, we're not going to talk about the thing right now.
Yeah, but that's you can't do that and then come and harass his friends and do this to the people he grew up with.
You just passed him the ID, and you and I.
You guys, am I under arrest?
No, you're not. But just
you know who I am already.
Okay, just go over here and we'll talk.
You know who I am already, right?
I'm just making a nice request. Just pass it to him, and I'll talk to you. Okay. Fair enough.
Listen, what did I do?
Okay, I told you right now you're being investigated for obstruct. I want your ID.
I'm not refusing. I have my. I'm trying to figure out where my ID is.
Give me your ID. Let's make this.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Sure, no, I just said keep an eye. Oh, all right. Okay. You're creating
This
space.
guy's a fucking, this guy's an idiot right here. You want your name and badge number, you.
You've got your space there.
Hey, yellow shirt?
Right? I already gave it to you.
No, you didn't.
Absolutely.
You did not tell me anything.
I did.
What is
Give
it?
you my name and badge.
What is your name?
65657. Last name's Graham.
65657 and Graham.
Yeah. We already gave that to you when you asked the first time.
Don't take your fish out of the water, Graham. Leave it on the counter, that sort of stuff. We know what we're doing.
All right. That's fine. So do we.
No, actually, you don't. We film you guys enough to know that you guys don't know shit about shit when it comes to what you're doing. We know that for a fact, dude. And this little woman here, if that's what she's saying, that we're trying to get in her car, that is absolutely ridiculous, bro. What kind of idiots do you take us for? That is ridiculous.
You're more than welcome to record whatever you want, sir. You just have to do it in a safe and respectful way.
Yeah, no, I don't. I don't respect you guys very much when you do bullshit like this.
I'm not asking you to respect
You and your
me, sir.
officer
I'm just
safety
asking you
horseshit.
to do it in a
Officer
safe manner.
safety is cowardice, dude. When you guys sit there, you got what, 6 of you guys with a gun and some lying bitch over there saying that he tried to open her door?
Does anybody have their gun out, sir?
Yeah, but you know what? You guys are chicken shit at cameras and saying what we're disrespectful with the cameras.
You see me moving away from your cameras.
Yeah, no, but you're trying to, you got right in my face. You stopped me from recording.
What I said was just move back and give space, sir.
Yeah, that's ridiculous,
That's not
bro.
getting in your. That's not.
Yeah, it is. When your gut is right on top of me, then that's getting in my personal space. You caused the unsafe distance, bro. Because you're a chicken shit at
You
cameras.
need to stay back like your friend is on that side.
Yeah, I think you guys are ridiculous. This is 51 Division 2? Yeah, it is.
He has it. He's giving it back to you. So what's...
True North Transparency now gathers Officer Kerr's information and lets her know how big of a coward she is for lying about the prior events.
I need that. I'm getting that woman officer's name. Excuse me. Young lady, what is your name and badge number?
PC Kerr 12459.
Are you the complainant on obstruct?
The complainant?
Yeah. 12459?
Yep.
Yeah, that was you, right?
Oh, come on.
Yeah. That's what you said. You're in a heap of shit because we got it on 3 different camera angles that nobody tried to get in your car. You know that? You left your computer open. Somebody saw it.
I saw it.
You need to be, well, you're a rookie too, eh? With the 1-2 number. You got to be in there for, what, a year, maybe 2? Don't bullshit people. When you see people with cameras, just act accordingly. Don't sit there and lie and try to get us arrested because you have a butt hurt. That's ridiculous. If that's what you did, that's fucking ridiculous. You're a horrible person if that's what you tried to do. With all due respect, you should turn in your badge and quit being a cop. You called on for an obstruction. We tried to get in your car. I know it was you. That's ridiculous. We film traffic stops, you chicken shit. Jesus Christ. Unbelievable. You know what? This is a little much for filming a traffic stop, and then we got how many cops? 9 cops? That's crazy. This chick shouldn't be a cop, without a doubt. She got scared because she saw 3 camera guys and then called in a fake call that we obstructed and tried to get in her car. That's fucking ridiculous.
So you know that then?
I'm listening to the conversations. Yeah, it was a fake call.
Making a lot of assumptions there, boss.
No. I have it on film too, bro.
Enjoy yourself.
You know the goal? I don't care what these dickheads are doing.
Okay, all right.
I'm telling you, look how he's talking. Look what's going on.
Are you guys can. We're just okay.
Listen, man, I have the same. All I'm going to tell you once. I don't care to tell you. I don't care if you believe me. I have the same goals as you. Okay. I mean, nobody, no harm. None of these people I want to see hurt.
Yeah.
I don't want to steal their shit. I make more money than that lady makes a year legally, eh?
Right.
Literally. I make more than her that she makes a year. And she's telling me that I want to steal from her?
Yeah, see, you're very unprofessional, man. What's your name?
My name's Osmond.
And your badge number?
82678.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go break my fast. I don't have time to entertain this.
Do whatever you gotta do, bro.
You guys can continue.
I just want to get all your guys' names and badge numbers. Did you get this one on
Yeah,
camera?
man. 82678. Have a good day.
Sir,
These two young guys right here.
name and badge number, please.
Miller 12613.
Thank you, sir.
You with your back to me there?
Name and badge number, please.
It's right here, 90660.
And G. De Silva, thank you. Ma'am, I want to let you know you have nothing to worry about when you see me. I'm a community member that's been in this area a lot longer than you've even been working here. I have a non-profit organization in the area that focuses on anti-gun and gangs. Because we film you guys may not appreciate that. I'll let you know to your face, we're not against police. We want to see the bad policing stop. Okay, I've had coins flipped for my freedom at River and Oak by 51 Division officers. I know how dirty it gets out here. You understand?
Right, sir. Yeah.
So I don't want, when you see me, don't ever feel threatened.
Right.
Okay? You have no reason to. I would never touch our vehicle.
I respect you coming and having a conversation with me.
Yes.
Between me and you, there's nothing wrong here, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay? I can't speak for other people that may have been filming me, but
I just want to let you know, when you see me, Canada Cop Watch, you never have to be alarmed.
I didn't know.
Don't be
that's where you
alarmed.
were.
That's where you are. You're going to be on there tonight now. But I just want you guys to know, when you see us, don't be alarmed.
Without an apology, one of the other officers now demonstrates that he does not understand the rights protected under the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms.
You also have to be mindful of what you're recording, right?
Yes and no. We can film anything we can see in public. If she decides to leave her screen open, that's her problem. It's not my job to close her screen. Okay?
If you're recording information,
I don't want to record the information. If I want to record a police car that's our car that you guys are driving, I'll do that. If the window's open, it happens to see the computer, too bad. Close it. For you. It's not too bad for me. You guys could close it if you don't want it to be seen. That's what you're supposed to do.
there's sensitive information that you're.
Then close it.
I don't want you don't get your camera up on the computer, right?
I don't care. I'm not interested in what's on your guys' computers. It's literally, I'm not interested in it. Ma'am, genuinely, don't ever be alarmed if you see me personally.
And as fast as they arrived, the officers leave.
I told you they were coming for us. I told you.
That was crazy, man.
I told you. 51 Division, guys.
Overall, the only dangerous individual was Officer Kerr, after fabricating a crime and putting the freedom and potentially the lives of 3 innocent men in danger.
It was her that called. He just told me that she's the one that called.
What did she say?
Said I tried to break into her car.
That's what I...
Me specifically.
You specifically? You were down on the ground filming. I had you on tape the whole fucking time. I told them that.
Several units responded, wasting emergency resources and tax dollars. Incidents like this should be a zero-tolerance policy, with the termination of your employment as a consequence. False reports and swatting often carry sentences with hefty fines and jail time, unless you're an officer. Apparently, it's likely that her coworkers will talk to her over the incident, but Officer Kerr will suffer no consequence. Let me know what you think below. In the pinned comment, you'll find links to all 3 camera angles from each channel that filmed the encounter, as well as a link to the Turk Foundation, if you'd like to support Canada Cop Watch and his outreach efforts. If you pay them a visit, be sure to let them know that I sent you.